Lesson objectives are the things that we think about and then put down on paper when we are preparing our lessons. They help us to organise our lessons, to think about what we want our students to achieve within the lessons, and they give our lessons a clear focus on either language or on skills. They are really important because they make sure that not only are our lessons focused, but that the students are achieving and that they are improving their language skills when they are with us. There are some key differences between the objectives we write on our lesson plans and the objectives we share with students in the classroom. Our objectives on our lesson plans are often focused on what we want our students to achieve. They might be based on communication, and they might also be thinking about our own skills as a teacher. Whereas student-facing objectives, the ones we show to students in the classroom, are often about how the students can use the language outside the classroom. How are they going to use it in their real lives? How is it valuable to them? How is it relevant? And what will they be able to do when they leave our classroom?